You're doing pretty good there, Benny. Keep at it, buddy. For starters, we gotta learn how to do the simple stuff first. With Coach Frank's signature method, you're gonna learn how to push to get speed, turn and carve, and adjust your speed by power sliding. Man, I love power sliding. See that thing in your hand? Yeah, it's called a skateboard. Now put it on your feet. You only need a couple of pushes to get up to speed. Coach Frank uses one. Yeah. Let's see if you can handle it on this course. You like going down hills fast? You better. Oh, good work, buddy. And it might be easier to slow down a little bit. You can use power slides like Coach Frank does to slow down or stop. Good work, buddy. You finished, man. Even Coach Frank is impressed. Get it? Now that you can skate around, you need to learn your first maneuver, the ollie. Ha-ha! Now, the ollie is done, as you can see here, by getting your skateboard to jump. Whoever thought that would be possible, man? Pull the right stick back to center. And flick it forward quickly to pop an ollie. You can do it. That's pretty good, man, but I'm gonna make it harder, Coach Frank style. I've strategically placed obstacles on this here slalom run. You best ollie him, boy, or I want some push-ups. Now get some speed. Set up in the blue area and flick it in the yellow area. Oh, the next grass gap is even bigger. Now let's see you ollie up this curve. Okay, try to ollie up this two-step. Now, get on it, boy, and try to ollie up this triple step. Yeah, if you can ollie off the ramp and over the grass, you might make me smile. Now, use this here ramp to air over the gap. Make it big. All right, last one here is a biggie. Air off the long ramp. The kids call that sick. I call it yeah. Man, I hadn't seen hot dogging like that since 1978. Flip tricks are just like ollies. The only difference is, they're flip tricks, man. Your board flips around the air and does stuff. You can shove it, you can flip it, you can flip shove it, you can even dip do it. Cool, man. Now we're gonna go ahead and learn shoving. Alright, now let's see you flip that board. You got it. Get it? Now I want you to show me a nose ollie. That's what the kids call an ollie. Flick it in the opposite direction. Alright, now you'll be using that ollie I taught you about to grind on ledges and rails. Keep your approach steady, set up just like I taught you, and get on that rail. Now let's see you get some speed and tackle this course. Now use the guides to aim your skateboard at the thing you want to grind. Nice grind, buddy. Good move, man. Set up and flick it. Now you're getting it. All right. Double rails coming up. You better be ready. Now for a single rail. You can do it. Hit the low ledge. Now grind the down rail. Now hit the hubba. Nice grind, buddy. Woo-hoo, man. Boy, you better save that replay, because that was good. Man, you've impressed even Coach Frank. Now, if you're lazy like old Coach Frank, you'll use session markers to go back and hit objects again and again. You should get used to placing session markers and using them, because walking sucks. All right, now, place the session marker. Now air off that ramp, boy! Okay, let's hit it one more time. Use the marker. Okay, let's hit it one more time. Use the marker. Oh, man, you're good.
All right, I'm gonna give you a little tour. Follow me. Hey, where's the fly? What'd I tell you? That was a fun little line, right? All right, so here we are. Let's see you get a trick on this bank to ledge. Go up it, around it, over it, grind it, whatever you want. Just get a trick on it. I got a pair of fresh socks in my trunk if you want them. First try. They're yours. All right, it's all you. Yo, that was dope. All right, which one of these do you like? Damn, Ledgeland. Let me see you get a line on these two ledges real quick. Let's go. Damn, you just got served. Can you hear me? Are you all right? Owned it. Look how ill I can film.
Yo, Shingo, what's up, you rat? What are you doing out here?
Oh, Retta. I'm just out here to skate and go to film school. What's up with you?
Film school, huh? Well, check this out. Me and homie right here about to start a brand, and I'm gonna need a filmer. Let me see you get a couple of clips together.
Well, really? Like, yeah, all right.
All right, I'm gonna take you one more place, and Shingo, make sure you get it all right?